Appeals this evening for the government to intensify its gully cleaning operations in the corporate area, as some which have rivers nearby have become breeding grounds for crocodiles. Residents in New Haven, St. Andrew raised the concern as they caught a crocodile near their homes this week. They claim the crocodiles have been wreaking havoc in the area for some time now.
One of these crocodiles bite a man while bathing down the riverbank. So this time when him come up the bridge, them try to catch him. Them eat dogs, your fowl, all these things you can't find. Your dog miss her, them eat them. Your fowl miss her, them eat them. Them attack people Fall Cove and late at night.
While the reptile was eventually handed over to the authorities, the residents believe if something is not done soon, the crocodiles will pose a greater threat to the most vulnerable in the community.
And they migrate from different communities and come to this one here because we have the gully and we have the river. And we also have a gully against the hillside also too. And we have a gully on the north side and the south side, and the west side is the river. So everything come down into New Haven and gets stopped by we.
About 10 of them are wallet more than that. Them are breed up. It's a breeding system them going on with now. The gully want clean. The gully need to be clean. The drainage down the back, then clean the middle and left the bottom. The bottom want clean so it can run off.